All right, this is it. The movement VST created by Output. They also made arcade, the actual the online loops and all the stuff, subscriptions and everything. But yeah, today I'm gonna be looking at the movement VST so I could create more powerful rhythms and more effects. So without further ado, let's name the Rare Productions. All right, this is the sound that it was before the plugin effects was on there. This is movement, a rhythmic kind of, FX type of joint. But this is what you could turn this sound into. And then right here, I'm gonna go through the presets, plugin, the plugin presets. This is called plucking around. Then we're gonna go to the other one. I like that one. And we're gonna go to the next sound that I had in the beat. We're gonna drop it in there. Yeah, I like this one. Slow and steady. Yeah, I like that one. Yep, this is a bass I got from the Trident Extreme. And I'm gonna drop in the movement plugin on that. See how we're gonna get that sound. Okay, Swampy March. Didn't do anything else. Okay, got a little funky now. Okay, it's very trippy. Alright, let me see how this sounds with everything. I want to see what this does to hi-hats and percussions. Okay, we got this from the 909. Yeah, let's drop that on there. Okay, flavor. It's cool. We got the filters right here. Turn that. Okay, turn that up. Oh, I could drag this somewhere. Oh. Plug swings. Auto pan. Oh, I can add all these. Okay. Oh, so this is cool. You can pretty much transform any sound. Oh, that's dope. Okay, let's see how this sounds. Nice. Yep, so there you have it. This is the movement VST. You could do whatever you want, drop it on top of any type of sound, and you could just transform your whole beat. So this is cool. All right, peace.